If you want to use QR code scanner on Redmi A7 Pro, you can, for example, find it in the control center. You should be able to find the QR code scanner in here. So then you can just point at the QR code, of course, grant all the necessary permissions to be able to use it. And then once you point at the QR code, you might be able to scan it straight away. There we go. There is also the QR code scanner in the form of an app that we have in the app drawer, so you can use that as well. This is exactly the same thing. And also, I believe we have the option to scan QR codes using the camera. So if you open the camera, then you can point at the QR code, and then here on the left side we have the QR code icon. So we can tap on it to get the result once again. And in case QR code scanner doesn't work for you in the camera, we're gonna tap on this arrow that we have at the top, or you can swipe down on the preview to open this little menu, and we're gonna go to settings. Then here in AI recommendations, we can find QR code, scan QR codes option, which of course must be enabled if you want to use it. Leave a like and subscribe.